Dark field microscopy experiment with BIOPTRON quantum hyperlight shows how the red blood cells become healthier after only 10 minutes of exposure to such light. On the left side you can see the red blood cells before quantum hyperlight exposure. They are clotted and inactive. Such condition is affecting the human body in a very negative way, leading to various serious health diseases in the whole body, causing even sometimes premature death. On the right side, after only 10 minutes of quantum hyperlight exposure, you can see the significant positive results that have been obtained. The red blood cells became active due to the BIOPTRON Hyperlight Therapy, which results in oxygenation. The whole body is revitalized, rejuvenated and healthier. Live better. Live longer.